Welcome back to another video. We have in the shop this 2017 Acura MDX. Tenemos aquí en el taller esta Acura MDX 2017. We're going to calibrate the camera because we had to replace it. We have the camera here. What is it? You have it? Yeah. Vamos a cambiar la cámara del windshield porque tuvimos que reemplazarla.
Está la cámara.
That's the camera. Esa es la cámara que tenemos, okay. Es la que está diseñada para el sistema de lane departure, okay. Reason why we're gonna replace this camera, we had an internal code for the camera U3000-49.
Yeah.
54. 49. Yeah. So the code that we had, it was that. U3000-49. El código que tenemos, la razón por la cual vamos a cambiarla es por el DTC U3000-49. So let's get this thing going. So we're gonna identify our vehicle. Okay. Vamos a identificar el vehículo. We're gonna read the VIN on it. Okay. So this scanner has a function where you can read the VIN and identify the vehicle itself. Este escáner identifica el vehículo simplemente leyendo el VIN, que es algo que todos los escáneres hacen estos días. That's something that most scanners do these days, Auto ID. So let's get it going. We're going to go into the ADAS menu.
Okay.
All right. Vamos a ir al menú de ADAS. That's where we have all the ADAS systems that this vehicle came with. Ahí donde tenemos todos los sistemas de ADAS, de asistencia al driver, al conductor. So we're going to do a full scan. And Alex is checking the frame, making sure it's on 0 because it's a requirement. So Alex está chequeando los parámetros del frame, asegurándonos que esté en 0. En algún otro video ya han visto, ¿verdad?, cómo hacemos eso. Ahorita no lo vamos a hacer porque nos quedamos sin cameraman y me tocó a mí hacerla de cameraman, ¿verdad? So we're gonna read codes and then perform the calibration. Vamos a leer los códigos y luego hacer la calibración. Well, Alex is taking, doing the scan. Let me show you the targets. That's a target, and we're missing this one.
Oh, yeah.
We're missing the one on the right.
Let me put it back.
Yeah.
So ahorita ya nomás tenemos el código de que la calibración no está completa.
Okay.
La cámara.
Right now, since we replaced the camera, we have an incomplete calibration code. Let me see. Static camera aiming incomplete. So, como cambiamos la cámara, ahora nos dice que el aiming está incompleto y es lo que vamos a hacer ahorita. So we have Alex installing the right clamp.
There we go.
Okay. Remember, that thing's going to be at a 12 o'clock position, plus minus 8 degrees. That's what the specification calls for. So ese clamp tiene que estar bien derecho a las 12 con una tolerancia de 8 grados, positivo y negativo. So, this procedure is called static calibration. Static calibration, we set the targets in front of the vehicle or around the vehicle. Dynamic calibrations, we have to perform sometimes on some vehicles, and on some vehicles it's optional. You can do either or. On some vehicles it's required. You got to do both. So if this vehicle requires to do dynamic and static, at the end of this static calibration, it'll tell us that it needs to be dynamically calibrated. Yeah, so, en las calibraciones, esta que estamos haciendo es estática, También existe la dinámica, y la dinámica es manejando. So, si el escáner nos dice que tenemos que hacer las dos, es porque tenemos que hacer las dos. En algunos es opcional, puede escoger cuál quiera hacer, y en algunos es requerida que haga las dos de la manera que le pide el escáner. So right now, what do we have?
Ahora me está pidiendo la opción de que si fue que reemplazaron el cristal delantero, ¿cómo se le dice en español?
Windshield, el parabrisas.
El parabrisas de enfrente, si se cambió la cámara o si ajustaron la posición de la cámara o la suspensión del carro.
So basically, what Alex is saying is that on this menu we have to select the option that best fits this procedure. Okay, so this is going to be based on whatever led us to do this calibration. In this case, it's going to be the replacement of the camera.
So, replace camera, okay. So aquí es donde nos está pidiendo el target.
Okay, the target that we're going to use. And this is something that we're going to talk on another video. You see that letter A and the letter B? And I'm going to show you this. We were trying to set up this frame. And as you can see, it's got that target on it. And that target doesn't work with this frame. We need to get the other one, the B. On this frame, Alex, but it's this one. That target right there.
Oh, is the one we have already here?
Yeah.
Oh.
So let me tell you what we have. On this frame, it's optional. You can select A or B. And since we only have the A, that's the one we're going to use to do this calibration. On this one, I couldn't find an option to use this target. I mean, the only thing that it was calling for, it was the other one, the one that we see on the picture, and it's a bigger target. So the difference is that on this one, if we have the bigger target, it tells you to position the frame farther down, about 6 meters away from the vehicle. And if we have the small target, it tells you to position it about 3 meters away from the vehicle. So lo que le está explicando aquí es que este target que tenemos aquí, ese target que tenemos ahí, en este frame es opcional. Podemos ocupar el A o el B, pero en el otro frame, en este frame que tenemos acá, en este frame a fuerzas quería que ocupáramos el target B, ¿verdad? Y nos decía que lo posicionáramos hasta allá atrás, como a 6 metros de distancia. So, since we have A, that right there, as you can see, since we have the small one, that's the one we're going to select. We're going to select A. Click on it.
So, ahora aquí nos está preguntando si lo estamos haciendo en una superficie plana o en la, ¿cómo se llama? La alignment rack.
Mm-hmm. So aquí nos está preguntando eso, la superficie, right? On this picture, it's asking us about what surface type we have. If we have the vehicle on an alignment rack, or if the vehicle it's on the same level as the frame, and we have it at the same level, so we're just going to select A. What's that?
Y aquí nos está pidiendo los clamps, la herramienta que vamos a ocupar para la calibración.
And those are the accessories that we're going to be using for this calibration.
Que ya los tenemos todos puestos, la distancia.
Distance in front of the vehicle.
Y aquí ya es el... Oh, damn. I think I'm jump.
What?
Tengo que hacer el setup now. So ahora me está pidiendo que eso pues, es lo que acabo de hacer, poner todo en cero.
So we're going to select the setup, and it's going to ask us to zero out the frame. And zeroing out refers to those knobs right there. We're going to bring those into the zero line.
Y está en zero.
Let's see if I can show you right there.
Is this
you
one right here?
Hopefully they can see it.
Yeah.
If you cannot see it, you can go watch another video. On all the other videos, we can show it. Like I told you at the beginning, I'm the one doing the recording this time. So it's not an option.
So aquí me está pidiendo que ponga los clamps de las ruedas traseras, ya están puestos.
So that thing is asking to put the clamps on tires, both of them, left and right. And like we showed it before, yeah, we got both of them.
So aquí vamos a conectar las cámaras.
Okay, so now we gotta connect those cameras to the scanner. Those are the cameras right there. They're on. You can see the LEDs on the side.
So aquí ya me está pidiendo la herramienta de medimiento. Y ya sé que hemos visto que en todos los carros siempre nos lo piden en la llanta delantera o en la defensa. Esto lo estás pidiendo a la altura del espejo.
So the measuring device, we're gonna put it right next to the rear view mirror. That's gonna be on the right. And if I'm not mistaken, this thing is gonna ask us for the distance between the front axle and the camera. If the scanner is capable of getting that information, we'll be able to move forward without getting that measurement.
So ahí ya lo reconoció y ahora hay que moverlo hacia la llanta delantera, el centro del rin.
So the distance has been acquired. Now we're gonna remove that target. Now we're going to position it on the front axle, right on the center. Let me show you that. Just like that.
Listo, so ahí también ya lo reconoció. So it's going to be next. So ahora vamos a acomodar el frame.
So now we're going to position the frame. And the scanner itself is going to tell us how far away from the vehicle it's going to be positioned. Okay, now we're gonna set the angle and the offset. Vamos ahora a calibrar el ángulo y el offset. The offset, I'm referring to the position left or right in reference to the vehicle. Para el offset nos estamos refiriendo a la posición del frame a la izquierda o a la derecha en referencia al vehículo.
So ahí está listo.
So we're done.
Todos en green.
Okay, we're gonna hit next. Vamos a presionar next. And
It's okay.
we're gonna click OK. That was the setup. Okay, that was the setup for the frame. That's the position that the scanner wanted us to put it at. Now this value right here, on some vehicles, the scanner is able to pull it automatically by taking those two measurements, the one on the rear view mirror and the other one on the front axle. Okay, and that's the distance that we have. En unos, explica eso.
So, en lo que está explicando él es que el escáner pudo sacar la medida sin necesidad de nosotros de sacarlo al momento que pusimos el medimiento de target ahí en la llanta y el espejo, y salió la medida aquí de 773 y es la medida que vamos a usar.
All right, so let's click OK.
Ahora está pidiendo La medida de la altura así la tenemos que meter nosotros.
Yep. So that one we're gonna have to measure.
Esta para sacarla.
So the distance that we're gonna need now, it's gonna be from the floor to the camera. So
level.
what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna measure
It's going to be
from the top of the windshield. Engánchate, de ahí a la cámara, güey.
It's going to be from here, you say?
Yeah, de ahí arriba a la orilla. From there a la orilla.
Hacia arriba,
Simón.
this way.
Entonces trae una escalera, güey.
So you're talking about...
So we're gonna need it.
So you're talking about this way, like
Yep.
this?
Yeah, like that.
From the bottom?
Yep.
Okay.
From the camera, the end of the camera.
Okay, the end of the camera to here is going to be... 3.
What do you have?
200. It's going to be 190 on this one.
That's 190 millimeters. Let me show you right here. So that's
Oh shit, sorry.
That's 190 millimeters. So, all right, if someone doesn't know about this, here in the United States, we don't use millimeters. We use imperial measuring system, and we use inches and all that stuff, okay? So, a la gente que no sabe, aquí en Estados Unidos ocupamos el sistema imperial, no milimétrico, y por eso a veces es la confusión en todas las medidas. Alex, now measure from the edge of the windshield, de este lado, 190.
Right here?
Right there, yeah.
From here?
Yeah.
All the way
No, 190.
Oh. So where is 190?
When I'm saying 190, I'm referring to 190 millimeters, which is 19 centimeters.
So it's going to be right here. You want me to mark it with something?
Yeah, mark it with something, because that's the measurement that you're going to take.
Let me use a Sharpie.
So 190 millimeters, it's 19 centimeters.
We can erase this thing.
For people used to using the metric system, it's pretty simple, right? But people using the imperial system, it's not that easy. It's like if you were to be working with inches and you're used to be working with the metric system. Para gente que no usa el sistema métrico, no es algo así de fácil. Nomás en este lado, Alex.
I just want to check something. I noticed something here, and I just want to know if that's something to do with this. No.
What is it?
No, it's good. This thing they already have like a mark here in the windshield. And each side, I was just trying to see if someone's the same.
It was the same?
Yeah, just to make sure probably that's the mark there.
What is it?
No, this one in the mark is one. It's like 180. And this one is 190.
Let's use the 190, because that's what you got from the edge to the camera.
Yeah. You know. Checking good all the way to the edge, and the camera is 180.
180?
Yeah.
Then use the line.
Now that I'm checking, I think this.
Is there for a reason?
Yeah, for a reason. The mark right there. Yeah.
All right. That's a first.
Yeah,
well, it seems to be there is a mark on the windshield itself that constantly matches the same distance.
Let me show
on the camera.
Let me see. I can show you just the mark real quick. Ahí se la pueden ver. Right there. Yeah, ahí se mira the mark right here.
Okay, it could be that something that you can use. Hold on. All right, there you go.
So now we need to measure from
now measure from the floor to that mark.
The thing. To make it.
Make it what?
Go. Yeah, I need to use a level, something
grab
here.
Grab a level.
This is too long. Probably this one. I think this one worked for here, through here. Ah, damn. Going to do the MacGyver way or what?
Of course. What else? Want me to call Don Gustavo? Are you there? Yes?
Yeah, but let me see. Oh, yeah,
Don Gus. Échame una mano acá, porfa. And we're gonna call
Don Simi.
backup.
Es Don Simi.
¿Ah?
Viene Don Simi.
Ayúdale aquí a Don.
Puedo ver ese de aquí al lado así.
So as you can see, it's not always just clicking buttons, right? I mean,
A ver, ajá, el metro está bien.
it's not always pressing buttons.
Lo más para atrás. ¿Sí?
Let me see if I can get what they're doing. Let me
A ver, mueva un poquito
go
la
back
mano.
a little bit.
Mueva la mano de abajo para ver la medida. Son 130, 140.
All right. That part is on the way. Let's come this way.
It's 148.
148?
Yeah.
148 what?
Va a ser 1448. Let me see. Wait.
Let me see what it is.
A ver, let me see. Son. No.
Okay, all the way down to the floor. That's a meter, 40 centimeters, 48 centimeters, right?
Yeah.
So that's 1,480 millimeters. 1,480, isn't it?
Yeah.
148, right?
Yeah, 48. Yeah. Thank you.
1,480 millimeters. Okay, we're gonna enter the distance from the floor to the camera. So vamos a meter la distancia aquí del piso a la cámara.
How much? It was 1,000.
1,480.
1,480. Right there.
Okay, 1,480. That's what we have. 1,480 milímetros.
So, seamos okay.
All right. What's the next step?
Next step, to attach the target to the. Okay, so ya está puesto lo del target. Está pidiendo el target board.
Okay.
So,
And now we're gonna set that target board on 0.
listo ahí.
Just right there on the center. Believe me, it's there. I think. We trust Alex. Let's go verify. And let me see. Can you see there or not?
Right
I can see
here.
the freaking level. I think we can see it from here. All right. Like I said, believe me, it's there.
So ahora me está pidiendo la altura.
So now it's asking for the height, and that's the height of the frame. We're gonna drop the ruler again, like we do all the time, and on which side?
Del lado
Side B?
Del lado B. Me está pidiendo.
Okay, so we're gonna drop that ruler, and then we're gonna position this frame at, what is it?
1185.
So now we're gonna raise this up, no, actually lower down to 1,185 millimeters. That's 1 meter, 100 and, no, that's 1 meter and 18.5 centimeters, if I'm not mistaken.
Right there.
Let me see that distance again.
1185.
Yeah, that's 1 meter and 18.5 millimeters. Okay, 1,185 millimeters. So ahí vamos a posicionarla a 1 metro con 18.5 centímetros o un total de 1,185 milímetros.
Yeah.
So that distance is the distance from the floor to the center of that target. Okay? So, is it ready?
Yeah.
So we're gonna turn off lasers and cameras. because it's been positioned already. Turning off the camera. And like always, we're just gonna move to the back of the vehicle. We don't want to be in the front when we command the calibration. So this is important. When you command the calibration, everything needs to be clear in the front of the vehicle. The only thing that looks like a target that's the only thing that could be, the only thing that could look like a target, it will be the target itself. Nothing else. Any checker flags, anything that looks like a target, it should not be in the background of that target. So we're going to command the calibration. What's the next step?
El siguiente me pidió que pusiera el frame a nivel, so ya está puesto a nivel.
All right, let me add something else in there. So allí vamos a quitarnos de enfrente del carro para que no haya en la parte de atrás ninguna obstrucción. Y aparte de eso, en la parte de atrás no tiene que haber absolutamente nada que parezca un target. Cualquier cosa que parezca un target solo puede ser el puro target, ¿ok? En la parte de atrás tiene que estar limpio. Y ahora nos pidió que pusiéramos el frame a nivel, pero ya está hecho, ¿va?
Sí, está a nivel.
Okay, so that's been done. It's leveled up. So it's asking us to turn off sliding plate laser and the clamps and the wheel targets and alignment 8. Remove the, I just leave them there. I don't think, you know what? Take them off. You just got to do it by the book, I want to say. As close as we can, all right? There's a lot of variables in these calibrations, so trying to cover as many as we can. Is it ready?
We're ready, yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to command the calibration.
So we're going to press OK.
You see, press OK.
So now
What else?
asking me for the height of the.
Okay, go take a measurement. Another step.
Let me get this one
The
first.
height of the ride, the vehicle. On the right, we're gonna have. Let me see. That's what Alex doing. That's what he's doing.
$816.
All right, A16.
Ajá.
And go check on this. Select the other one first. Yeah.
Bueno, lo pongo de una.
Now it's selected for the other one. Yeah, there you go. So this is what Alex is doing.
816.
You just enter that information there. And now he's gonna go enter for the left.
Wow. Yeah. 816.
A16,
Yeah.
both sides.
Yes. 16. Okay. So it's okay.
Okay, let's go to the back. And
So
next step.
It's
So
okay.
tuvimos que meter la altura ahí. En los dos lados teníamos 816 milímetros, okay? So no lo moves. Right there, click OK. So we're gonna select OK. And right now it's saying us to put that thing on the center. Yeah, so it's calling for positioning. It should be on the center, and we have it on the center, right?
Mm-hmm.
We checked it.
yeah, here we check that.
Okay, so esa cosa tiene que estar ahí al centro. That's yours.
Okay.
Go to it. So now it's aiming at the center target, and it completed that. So now we're gonna move that target to
The left.
the left, to the driver's side. Okay, we need to position it at 668 millimeters. So ¿cuál está ahí?
So aquí vamos a mover ahora el target hacia el lado izquierdo del carro, hacia el lado del conductor. Lo vamos a mover a 668. 600 son 50, 65. A ver.
All right.
668.
Okay. And now let's go to the
Otra
back.
vez para atrás. Aquí puro cardio con estos.
Yeah.
Ahí para acá.
Se van a acabar las rueditas, dijo el Ortiz, ¿no?
So, ahora vamos a presionar OK, ya que lo
Okay, we're gonna
movimos.
press OK, and we're gonna record this other position.
Okay.
Okay?
Listo.
And we're gonna do a final one on the right side of the vehicle. Again, 668.
Yeah, 668.
Okay,
So, ahora lo vamos
so
a mover hacia el
vamos a
otro lado.
mover a otro lado para 668 milímetros en el otro lado.
Listo.
All right, 50, 60. All right, hopefully you can see it there. And again, let's go to the back. All right, and from here we're gonna command it again. And this is the third position. Click OK. And the operation has been successful. Just in case we cannot show you the recording, otherwise it'll be on the recording. Yeah. So la operación ha sido completada exitosamente, and this is what it takes to calibrate that camera. We had to calibrate it. This time we had to calibrate it because we replaced the camera. Other instances where you need to calibrate it is if you remove it or replace the windshield. You will have to do that. There is some, the other day I was reading a document where it said that if you have to replace frame components, you need to calibrate the camera too, okay? I'm gonna look for that document. Hopefully I can show it to you. But it was talking about the bumper reinforcement, and I don't remember what else, but at least the bumper reinforcement, I remember it was there. So if you are replacing the bumper reinforcement because it was damaged on this vehicle, if you were to do that, you would have to calibrate the front distance sensor, which is right behind that emblem, and you will have to calibrate the camera, okay? So, algo que vi el otro día en un documento es que si el vehículo sufre daño extenso, que tenga que cambiar componentes del frame, aunque no se haya dañado el parabrisas, de todas maneras tiene que calibrar la cámara. Esta ocasión la calibramos porque cambiamos la cámara, pero en otras ocasiones, si tan solo con moverla, desconectarla, quitarla de su lugar y volverla a poner, necesita calibrar. Si cambia el parabrisas, necesita calibrar. A mucha gente, there's a lot of people that I've seen that they replace windshields and they just don't disconnect the camera because they think that that will keep them from having to calibrate. But that's not the way you do it, because I mean, when you put it back, you don't know which position you put it back on. So he visto una gente que hace esta calibración, que no hace calibraciones, sino que cambia el windshield y solamente quita la cámara y no la desconecta para que no active ningún código y la pone para atrás, pero no está terminado bien el trabajo así porque no sabe en qué posición la puso para atrás. So this has been this video about camera calibration. We're trying to correct code U3000-49 because we replaced the camera and we needed to do the calibration. I hope you like the video. Stay tuned.
One more thing. Una cosita más. Como dijo él al principio del video, en algunos carros se tienen que hacer dos tipos de calibraciones y en este vehículo tenemos que hacer la otra calibración. So, ahorita tengo que sacarlo a manejar para que termine la otra calibración.
All right. This is what I was talking to you, what I was telling you at the beginning. So this is going to be half of the calibration then. I mean, this is the static procedure. If we can record dynamic calibration, we're going to do that. Otherwise, we're going to end the video here, okay? We're gonna try to record the dynamic so you can see the whole process. So, como estaba diciendo Alex, hay que hacer la calibración dinámica también. So, vamos a salir a manejar este vehículo y si lo podemos grabar, lo ponemos en el video. De otra manera, aquí vamos a terminar el video. So, I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned. go to the channel. There's more videos on there's more videos on the channel about calibrations, electrical diagnosis, and electronic repair. See you on the next one. Thanks.
Listo. So, aquí vamos a continuar con la calibración de esta Acura 2017. So, presionamos comenzar el test. We're going to start the test for the dynamic calibration. So, aquí me está diciendo que tengo que manejar entre de 40 a 70 millas por hora, de 72 a 112 kilómetros por hora. Tengo que manejar en una área plana. Choice driving. Líneas paralelas, ok. So, presionamos OK y comenzamos con la calibración. Okay. Aquí vamos a empezar a salir del taller. So, pueden ver aquí que dice que ya la operación fue completada y todo fue hecho bien. We save a screenshot for the customer. Una captura de imagen para el cliente. So, ya vieron que me está pidiendo que apague la ignición. La apagamos, la prendemos. Listo. So, ahora sí testeamos el sistema, que todo esté funcionando bien. Velocidad de 68 millas por hora y como pueden ver él solito está disminuyendo la velocidad porque está viendo el carro de enfrente que está cerca de mí y ahí está agarrando velocidad otra vez automáticamente solo de que ya tengo más despeje del carro de enfrente. Todo funcionando perfecto, listo para entregárselo al cliente. Voy a apagar el sistema y está apagado, está funcionando todo bien, listo. regreso al taller.